The News Broadcasters Association has said in a statement that it is shocked to see hundreds of WhatsApp messages that have been exchanged between BARC India's former CEO Partho Dasgupta and Arnab Goswami, Managing Director, ARG Outlier Media Private Limited. These messages clearly establish collusion between the two in manipulating ratings to garner greater viewership numbers of Republic TV month after month by fraudulently manually reducing ratings of other channels to give Republic TV an unfair advantage, the NBA has said. These WhatsApp messages not only reflect manipulation of ratings but are also about power play. The messages exchanged go on to refer to the appointment of secretaries, cabinet reshuffles, access to the PMO and the workings of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. This only confirms the many and continuous allegations made by NBA in the last 4 years that ratings were being manipulated by a non-NBA member broadcaster in connivance with BARC's top management officials. The NBA statement reads, "The NBA has demanded that IBF membership of Republic TV should be suspended with immediate effect till the case related to manipulation of ratings is pending in the court. NBA board is also of the view that the manipulation of ratings by Republic TV has immensely damaged the reputation of the broadcast industry and therefore it should be kept out of BARC rating system till final court order," the NBA statement says. NBA has already conveyed to BARC that ratings are unreliable as far as we can see and should continue to be suspended in light of recent revelations which show the arbitrary nature of functioning at BARC, the statement adds. It shows that there are no checks and balances and the ability of a few within BARC to easily change the ratings as they deemed fit, making the system subjective to the whims and fancy of the management versus being an objective, transparent system. It further says, the NBA has said that the oversight committee with no representation of broadcasters and just consultants paid by BARC is an eyewash to show autonomy. The NBA has strongly demanded that action should be taken by BARC against these dubious actors. Legal and police action should also be taken against those who are responsible for ruining the credibility of BARC and threaten to damage the credibility of the news broadcast business have hitherto gone about their business without any consequences or fear thereof. It is indeed with dismay that NBA notes the fact that in spite of having a damning verdict in this possession since July 2020, BARC sat on the forensic report for several months, which brought to light these manipulations. This is a glaring example of the systematic lack of transparency that has prevailed right since the inception of BARC, the NBA has said in its statement. Not only did BARC not share the data with NBA on grounds of confidentiality, no action was taken against the erring broadcaster, no penalty and no discom proceedings were initiated. In fact, even after the new management took charge, wide-scale manipulation has continued, it has added. News Desk Kaumudi, English.